When it comes to remodeling or renovating your home, there is a lot to know, and we have got you covered. This is Around the House.
All right, guys, we're at Design and Construction Week, and we have an amazing guest, Angie. Angie's List. Great to talk to you today.
You too. Thanks for having me.
It is so fun what you have done for an entire industry.
You're too kind.
You were the original, right?
I'm the old G, right?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. That's trailblazer stuff.
Right.
Of really putting homeowners and contractors together.
Yeah. I tell people we were pre-internet. I started this pre-internet days, so.
Yeah, how did that start, by the way?
Yeah, so one of my co-founder was actually struggling to find good contractors, and we figured out there should be a better way to share information among homeowners, and that was it. So people would call in and talk to me to find out who the good plumber was in town.
And then it went from there, and then it turned into this billion-dollar industry out there.
Because it's a lot of times homeowners don't necessarily hire the same pro twice, or they maybe only put one roof on in their lifetime, and it's like they're scratching their head wondering, where do I go? And that was the void we would fill to help them figure out which contractors were the best.
Yeah, and it's great because then the contractors were out there looking for good clients.
Exactly.
And you filled the need from both directions, which was brilliant.
Yeah, exactly.
And it was the first, and that's what's cool about that. And you guys are still just out there killing it as far as
Thank you.
What's it like seeing yourself on TV and everything else every day?
Yes, it's crazy. I'm an introvert. I'm like, I do what the marketing team wants me to do, but I'm like, I'm just happy sitting in behind my spreadsheet and doing work.
There we go. What do you have for tips for homeowners out there that are just trying to figure stuff out? Because I know you've done so much as far as just trying to help people find good people.
Yeah, I think one of the things is to get to know your house, be aware of your house, and make note of things you're seeing, because I think one of the most challenging things for homeowners is when they're surprised by something. They're surprised. So always be keeping track so that, hey, this doesn't look quite right, or my furnace is getting a little old like mine is, and I might need to replace it soon, so that you can be thinking about that and budgeting ahead of time.
Yeah, because everything in your home has a lifespan. If you start to understand that, you don't get shocked when
the repairman says, hey, you probably should just replace this, and you're like, but I didn't want to replace it. It's expensive.
Somebody wants to go to Europe. And
exactly.
There's nothing sexy about a new heating and cooling system, except
for when it's cold and there's no heat.
Exactly. Thanks for taking the time today. I love what you're doing out there, and you've done so much for the industry as far as just helping homeowners and contractors both find the good people.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
All right, guys. There's the tip from the OG Pro.
Make sure and subscribe and follow for more of the Around the House show, and visit our website at aroundthehouseonline.com.